Academy Sports, Harrisiburg, Pennsylvania. Kelly King, woo, Mike McCourt.
The Queen, Kelly King.
They're helping me. All kinds of fun stuff going on here today. Hopefully this is good. I've never tried it before. That's hot. Went to the market yesterday, picked these up. Hopefully they're good. Woo! Welcome out everybody, Blackstone Griddles, Harrisiburg, Pennsylvania, Academy Sports. Trying to cook some sausage without burning it. Like to use the tongs to slowly roll it.
Yeah, we lived on that for 3 months every day, except for the occasional.
Woo! Say hi, everybody. Woo! Go, going. You know I'm using those Sam's white hoagie rolls. Easy to find when you're on the road. Going in with the hot Italian sausage link. We're going in with some peppers, onion, garlic marinara, and basil. And take a look at that. Let's give it a try.